Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 14 Pro. Front camera and Face ID is not working. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Place it in a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. After disassembly, check the layered connectors. Seems a few connectors are damaged. Cleaning the connectors through a soldering iron. Again, place it in a layered heating system to assemble the motherboard layers. Now assemble the phone. Turn on the phone. And that's it. We've successfully resolved the A14 Pro camera and Face ID problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.